Start by controlling speed and contact angle so you do not throw cleaner and water everywhere. When using drill brushes for cleaning, set the drill to a low speed and keep it in variable speed mode so you can dial in the minimum rotation that still removes soil. Hold the brush head at a shallow angle to the surface instead of perpendicular to reduce the force that ejects fluid outward. Use a short, steady stroke pattern and let the brush do the work rather than pushing hard, which causes sudden splashes. Apply cleaner sparingly by putting it directly on the surface or on the brush rather than spraying broadly, and blot excess liquid with a microfiber towel before you start. Consider using a splash guard made from a cut plastic bottle or a folded towel wrapped around the brush base to catch flying droplets. Secure it so it does not spin loose. For porous or textured surfaces, pre-rinse and blot to remove loose debris, then work in small sections so you always control the wet area. Beginners often run the drill too fast, which throws liquid. The quick fix is to reduce speed and practice on a disposable scrap until you can keep droplets contained. Another common issue is applying too much cleaner. Use measured amounts and blot excess before scrubbing to stop suds from becoming projectiles. People also angle the brush wrong and press too hard. Relax your grip, use lighter pressure, and maintain a shallow angle so the bristles skim rather than dig. And if splashing persists, slow down and repeat gently. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and supplies a discussion community where users share tips and experiences about tools and techniques. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility with homeowners seeking services and by offering a place to build a reputation through community engagement.